In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy something from AliExpress. First of all, head to Google or your favorite browser, search AliExpress. After that, click on the first link or head directly to aliexpress.com. After that, you'll be greeted with this web page. Click on account and click on register. Choose your location, your email address, and your randomly generated password. Please make sure that you don't use any password related to you, your pets, your people that you know. Create the account, and then you will be prompted with the email verification. Head to your email, you will find the code, and then paste it. Click verify email. And if the code is correct, your account will be successfully created. As you can see, AliExpress always have free coupons. I'm gonna claim those coupons. Click on X right here and then search for the item that you're looking for. After searching for the item, I suggest that you choose to ship from a specific country. Also, you can toggle on free shipping. This will limit the options. Then you can also set a minimum and a max price. After that, choose the item that you're looking for. After choosing the item that you're looking for, make sure that it is the right item. I would highly suggest that you also check the reviews. After doing all of this, all you have to do right now is to check either buy now or add to cart. If you're looking to buy multiple items, I'll just press add to cart. But in this case, I'm supposing that you're just looking to buy it right now. I'm gonna click on buy now, and then I'm gonna be prompted with this page. In this page, I can see on the right side right here, all of my items cost, the discounts, the promo code, the shipping cost, and then I can hit on place order. All you have to do is add the address, contact name, the mobile number, the address, and make sure that everything is right. Then e-payment method. You can choose e-card and you can fill in the information. That's it for today's video, and goodbye.